Welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club.
And young draw salamander.
Chameleon. Chameleon.
No.
Yes. And what do we need?
We have glasses and papers and some fake colors. Let's
What
start.
sketch pens do we use?
Sharpies.
Sharpies. You can use a black sketch pen if you
Or
don't
you
have
can use
a white paper.
Or you can use a pencil as well.
Yes. So let's start drawing the chameleon.
Yeah.
What is the speciality of a chameleon? Do you know? It can change its
color.
color. Yes. You knew this. Wow. Let's start drawing the chameleon. We start with drawing the eyes.
Yeah. They have big
Yeah,
eyes.
chameleon has got big eyes.
Because they can see their enemies very nice clearly.
Okay.
Where, Papa? Let's just start from here.
In the center where I have started. Okay.
Like this.
Yes, very good. Now,
Now the body is going to be a little difficult.
nothing is gonna be difficult.
The legs, I mean.
Okay.
Now, wait. I'm getting a little confused.
Very good. Now the
I think this was the smile, right?
okay.
Wait. Now we are going to draw the tail, right? See, now like this. Now the tail.
Yeah. Wait. We'll first finish the legs.
The legs are difficult.
Nothing is difficult. Just follow me slowly. Just follow us slowly, and don't hurry.
Sometimes I hurry
Okay.
a lot.
Don't hurry at all.
Sometimes I hurry a lot.
Chameleon is standing on the branch of a tree.
Yeah, because
So we'll make a
chameleons,
branch as well.
because chameleons want to be sneaky. That chameleon, the very sneaky.
Yes, they are very sneaky.
Like
The
a,
other leg.
like a ninja. Papa, like this, right? See, Papa?
Yeah.
Mine is like a cute chameleon.
Okay.
No, it's looking something like.
I'll now draw this.
Oh, wait.
Okay, let's wait for Parikshet. And I'm waiting for you guys also. Are you following the drawing? I hope you're not very fast.
Like this. Oh, wait.
I'm just drawing this.
A little more long.
No, it's okay.
Okay, then. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Perfect.
Then this.
Yes.
And like this.
Very good. Now we draw the branch.
Yeah. Chameleon. So,
Okay.
wait,
Uh-oh.
what happened?
It's okay. I'll cover it up. Now, the tail. It's got a long tail. Got a
Okay.
long tail. Okay. Yes. My chameleon is almost ready.
Your chameleon is ready.
Yes. Now we draw some stripes on its body.
Chameleons have stripes.
Yes.
I don't know that.
Okay. Okay, Okay, we forgot the other legs.
Ooh.
No problem, it's easy. The other legs are easier. Done.
See, like this, Papa.
Yeah, that's so easy. And now we will be using.
Wait. No, Papa. And this, and this.
Yeah, perfect.
And this also the same.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very easy. Oh, wait.
We'll be using a green color, a brown color, and that's all. Let us get the green and the browns.
Whoa.
Done, Parikshet? Are you ready?
No.
Let's get started with the coloring of
Why have you given me double brown?
one I'll use.
Okay, we need some orange color also. Right,
No,
right.
we'll be needing only brown color. We'll be drawing the stripes with the help of brown color. You can take a lighter brown and a darker brown.
I choose the darker brown only.
Okay.
Papa, mine is all looking like a chameleon, right, Papa?
Yes, Vishal.
Huh? Mine is looking like a chameleon. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, it is.
No, the scene, its mouth. It's looking like something other.
It's okay. Color it fast.
The nose was too big actually, right?
Yeah.
It should be a little pointy. I'm not going to turn on to another page. So that will take a lot of time.
If you guys think that I'm going so fast or too fast, then
You could slow the video and or pause the video.
Yes. Now the brown stripes.
Oh, this is like so confusing.
Is it?
Yeah. The confusing part is done. There were so many stripes and they didn't understand which is the middle.
Okay, I'm almost
So I
done.
have to color this also, right?
I'm done. My chameleon is ready.
Mine is almost done.
Yeah. We are done with our drawing and coloring of chameleon. Are you done? Did you enjoy the drawing?
No.
No, you did not? Let's wait for Parikshet to finish up his drawing. Until then, parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us if you want to win some exciting goodies from Kids Fun Learn Club.
The parents will not win, the kids.
Yes, the kids will win, obviously.
And why did you say you will win?
Did I say that I will win?
No, you. To the parents.
Obviously, if the parents win, that means the kids win because the parents would be uploading it, right?
Yeah.
Make it quick.
Yeah.
Are you ready, beta?
No. Yeah.
So-
Wait. I need some orange. Yeah, Dad, see.
Oh, whoa.
See that.
We are done with the drawing. You're done?
Yeah. See,
So do you want to say something?
I did some.
That's nice. That's looking nice.
So friends, if you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe my channel. If you didn't enjoy this drawing also, then also like and subscribe my channel.
Yay!